Welcome. This video I'll show you how to integrate DocuSign with Salesforce. All right. We have the free ones and the ones that need subscription. Okay. First up in here under Salesforce, appexchange.salesforce.com. Just go to this website and make sure to log in. Now go to the search bar and type in DocuSign. All right. Hit on enter. You have 5 options in here. Okay. You have e-signature for Salesforce, DocuSign CLM, DocuSign Gen, e-sign, and document management. Okay. Just click on one. And then just hit on get it now. All right. And once that's done, just follow the simple prompts and Salesforce and DocuSign will be integrated. Another option is by using the app called Zapier. Okay. Just go ahead over to zapier.com. Hit on enter. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, click on sign up if you don't have an account yet. If you have an account, just log in. All right. Now, once you're in here on your dashboard, just go ahead over to the top left, click on create Zaps. Wait for it. Once it loads, go ahead and select a trigger. Just click on trigger. It could be a DocuSign or a Salesforce. For example, I'm going to choose Salesforce right here. Okay. This one. Don't worry if it's tagged as premium. You can go ahead and use the pro trial right here. As you can see, my account is already connected. Just going to reconnect this one as it was expired. Sandbox. Okay. Once your account is connected, just go ahead and select the trigger. For example, new contact. Select it. Now, once done, just click on add to continue. Okay. After that, just close this one, hit on action, then choose DocuSign. Okay. Connect your DocuSign account. Allow. Once it's connected, go ahead and choose an event. Okay. So whenever there are new contacts, okay, triggered under Salesforce, DocuSign right here will automatically select an action, create a draft signature request, just like that, for example. Okay. At least you get the point now. Just hit on continue and then configure, select a template. Okay. Maybe this template right here, email subject, enter your email subject from here. If not, just leave it as is and hit on continue. Okay. Test this step if you want to. It's good. Okay. Once that's done, all you have to do next is just hit on publish. Okay. Make sure that your Salesforce account is connected. Hit on publish. Once you hit on publish, it will go online. You don't have to do anything. Once Salesforce right here got a new contact, DocuSign will automatically create a draft signature request. That's how it works. And once that's done, once it's live, you can now go ahead and close Zapier and just wait for this trigger event to happen. There you have it. That's how you integrate DocuSign with Salesforce. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.